I'm James from Batrium, and today I'll be going over how to use our new iOS app and just showing what it can do. Here I've got my iPhone, open up the app. So we've got two options here. We can either use the web, which goes over the internet and can connect to a device anywhere, or if you're just interested in the devices on your local network and don't want to bother with provisioning, you can also do it over Wi-Fi. So we'll start with Wi-Fi. Hit allow, and let's see, head to my favorite. You can see here that we are picking up all the data from the device in a fairly rapid fashion. So we've got power stuff up the top, just the overall state of the battery, and as we go down we can dig into some deeper stats like so we can see minimum, maximum and average cell voltages, and if you click on that you can actually see individual cell voltages. You can see that little red dot that appeared for a second there. That means that cell was balancing. Alrighty, so we can hit the back button at the left there, and yeah, do the same with temperatures. See, it's quite consistent. And we can also see bypass statistics. None of the cells are actively balancing at the moment, but they've all done quite a bit of balancing, as you can see by the milliamp hours on the right. We can also see the temperatures of the cellmate K9s in this system, just below that, and also the information that we're sending to the inverter, or a charger in this case, and some capacity stuff too. Alrighty, so we'll hit the Wi-Fi icon in the top right if we want to change devices, or hit it again if we'd like to switch to the web. So you'll have to have done the web provisioning, which was covered in a previous video, and also connected it to your BMI account. But once you've done that, you can head into web. I'll put in my user ID here. Alrighty, that info's in there, so we can hit sign in. And now we've got our list of teams. So because I'm here at Batrium, I've got a few extras. You'll probably just have your team, which is the word team with a bunch of numbers after it. I'll head into in-house systems here, which is everything on our network, and I'll go to the same device. Now you'll notice that the info might update a little bit slower. You can see the little pulse icons on the right of the screen. They'll actually flash when new data comes in, and it'll be about once every 5 minutes, which is fine on a battery which moves fairly slowly. Alrighty, so yep, same thing applies. We can drill into the data if we like. You can see that it's maybe a little bit delayed, but totally fine for checking up on your battery once a day. And we can use the button on the top right, the little cloud button, to go back to our device list, go to a different device, check it out. Yeah, so for now you can't configure your devices, but that's coming. So as soon as that happens, we'll let you know. For now, you can absolutely check up on existing systems. Alrighty, that's it for this video. Somewhere around here will be a link, a QR code that you can use to go download our new app and check in on your BMS from anywhere. Alrighty, see ya.